So when we open up xtiles, you can already see my vision board in xtiles. So I have already customized it to how I want it. I've included all my goals, and so this is one of the ways it can look like. So we are going to create a new page, and we will create a creative page, and we'll open a new one. Then next, when it opens up, we are going to name the page. So we will name it the vision board. So for me, I will write illustration because I'm using this page to illustrate to you. Then next, we are going to change our cover, and so you click on the change cover. You can use the images found in Unsplash, or you can upload your own. So I chose to go with the image found in Unsplash, and I just chose that one, and I decided to reposition it to how I want it to appear as my cover. Then next, we are going to create a header, or the place where we'll place our theme for the year. So the good thing about Excel is you just put in blocks according to the size that you want. So I'm going to name mine 2025 because we're in 2025 theme, and let's say this year is our focus is abundance, so we'll add that one there. You can highlight the text and give it any color that you want, so you can place all the colors that you want. You can see the selection. You can also add a background if you want to, but I just chose mine to remain as the default. Then next, we are going to create a new block. You can put these blocks or insert your block according to the measurements that you want. And then in our block, we will add the image that actually relates to us. Let's take that one, and then we are going to resize it. We're going to resize it to how we want it to appear on our page, and then underneath it we will add another block or tile, like they are called in xTile. So we will add another tile, and in this tile you can actually customize it to how you want it to appear. You can choose the layout that you want, the colors that you want. You can also let me go with that red. You can also change your font size to either medium or large or extra large. I just chose to go with a small, and then we are going to write what that goal means for us. So I wrote I would love to celebrate that I have traveled to Dubai this year. Then next, we are going to now resize the block that has the wordings to how we want it to appear on the page, and then we will add another tile according to the size that we want. Then add an image. Let's say we want maybe you're getting married this year, let's say the wedding, and let's add something that speaks of that. So I chose that one. I resized it to how I wanted it to appear on the page. So this is me resizing it. Then I added another tile to add the wordings, which you can, or instead of starting from afresh, you just duplicate the one that you had already made, and you just replace the wordings in that tile. So for example, you can say, we love to celebrate that I got married in a colorful wedding this year. So you can write something like that. So that is actually how you put your vision board together in xtiles. All you're going to do is just add tiles according to how long, how how tall you want them to appear. You add the images that you want. There are so many options like adding tables and what have you, but for ours it was a vision board, so we will add more of pictures into it. And so that is what we have done. And then you can customize your note, the places where you're adding notes to how you want them to appear, the layout, everything. So that is how you do it. Now, so let's say you want to embed something on the page. You're going to click on the bend on your right side and then search the things that you want to embed. So for, let's say for example, you want to embed a GIF, so you're going to search in the Giphy section in your browser, search what you want to embed. So for example, let's say abundance, let's search for abundance, and we are going to select one from the many that are made available. So I search, let's go with this one that says limitless abundance. Click on it, copy link, then go back to our xtiles page, paste the link on the page, then embed it. So it will appear on our page and we can resize it to how we want it to appear, and then we will move it to where we want it to be. So the good thing with xtiles is that you can move your tiles around. So like if you don't like the arrangement that is there, you can tweak it to your own liking, like to how you want it to appear and to move. Like let's say you want to embed a YouTube video. So let's say you go to YouTube and you will search maybe any video that you want. Let me just pick this one that says the camp playlist, and I'll copy the link and I'll go back to my xtiles, embed it, and then it will appear. When I embed it, it will appear on the xtiles page. Resize it to how you want to and move it to where you want it to be. So that is, like I said earlier, that's the good thing about xtiles. It's just that you are organizing your vision board to how you want it to appear and to look like you're customizing it. So for example, now if I press on the video that I've embedded in the xtiles app, I don't have to go back to YouTube for it to play, so it will just play while in the app. You can also embed other things like Spotify or all the things that you want to appear, so you can organize it, add unto it as many tiles as you want. And then when you are done, this is how it is going to look like. This is how mine looked like. And if you're interested to purchase the template, the link is in the description below. You can click on it and get your own copy. Bye.